Hello everyone. Now we are going to discuss about vertex formula. Okay. This vertex formula is related to parabola. Okay. Now I'm gonna explain you what it means. Actually, parabola. It is like a U shape, and it is a topmost point on the parabola, or it may be top bottom point of parabola. As you can see, parabola looks like something this U shaped. So in this case the top bottom point, and in this case the topmost point. Okay, so let us discuss further. Parabola may be like this and like this. Okay, the vertex formula is a mathematical expression used to find the vertex of a parabola, which is the highest or lowest point on the curve, depending on whether the parabola opens upward or downward. Okay, now we are going to discuss a general equation: y equal to x square plus bx plus c. As you can see, uh, this is a quadratic equation form. So the vertex formula consists of two parts. First one is x, you know, x and y axis, x coordinate and y coordinates. Okay, so generally we denote x coordinate with h and y coordinate with k. Okay, then h equal to h, it is equal to minus b by 2a, minus b by 2a. So a is the coefficient of x square. As you can see, a is the coefficient of x square and b is the coefficient of x. This formula gives the horizontal position of the vertex on the x-axis. Okay, now y-axis, let us talk about y-axis. Y coordinate of the vertex is denoted by k. After calculating h, that means x coordinate of x coordinate of x coordinate of parabola, sorry, vertex of parabola, vertex of parabola. Okay, so after calculating x coordinate of vertex of parabola, we can put this value in our equation and then find y coordinate. We can find y coordinate. Okay, that means k. Okay, uh, let us see. The vertex hk represents the point where the parabola reaches its maximum or minimum value, depending on whether the parabola opens upward or downward. If a is positive, if a is positive, the parabola opens upward and the vertex represents the minimum point. If a is negative, the parabola opens downward, right? And the vertex represents the maximum point. Let us summarize our concept of vertex of parabola. In summary, the vertex formula allows us to determine the coordinates of the vertex h comma k for a given quadratic equation, providing valuable information about the shape and position of the parabola. Okay, let us solve one question regarding this concept. Here you can see a equal to 2 and b equal to -4, c equal to 3, right? So as you know, h is equal to minus b by 2a. Then we can calculate h coordinate. So it becomes minus and bracket -4 and 2a. 2a means 2 times 2. That means 4 over 2. that means 2 to the 4, right? So h equal to 2. Now we will put this value in our equation. Our equation is y equal to 2x square minus 4x plus 3. Y equal to 2x square minus 4x plus 3. Here h, value of h is k, and 2, and x, that is the value of h is, we will replace x with h. Then we can see here it's 2 square minus 4 into 2 plus 3. Then k equal to 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 minus 8 plus 3 cancelled. Okay, now k equal to 3, right? K equal to 3. So in this case h comma k equal to 2 comma 3. This is the vertex of the given equation. Thank you for being part of this video. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.